In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up on Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, click Apps and install the Shopify Forms app if you haven't already. Once installed, open the Shopify Forms app and click Create Form. Select Popup as the form type. Next, give your pop-up a name and customize the content. Add your headline, description, email field, discount offer, or any message you want visitors to see. After that, choose how and when the pop-up should appear, such as after a few seconds or when a visitor is about to leave your site. When you're happy with the design, click Save. Now go to Online Store, click Customize and select App Embeds. Turn on the Shopify Forms pop-up and click Save again. That's it! Your Shopify pop-up is now live and ready to collect leads, promote offers, or grow your email list. Thanks for watching.